Yeah, guys, how are you all doing? Yeah, welcome back to the second episode of this weekly vlog, right? I'm using this opportunity to say a very big thank you to you guys for helping me reach 700 subscribers. This is a very big milestone. I can remember when I started my first 100 subscribers and everything. Now I'm at 700. I'm really grateful. Thank you guys, and I promise to keep content like this coming up to your page and keep making content for you guys in the future, right? So this is Sunday weekly prep, as you all know, and a weekly review. That's what we're going to be doing on every Sunday. And yeah, basically, you guys know that I'm trading two accounts right now. So I'm trading my Darwin X zero account, and also a prop firm, a $50,000 prop firm challenge. So guys, if you want to get started with Darwin X, you can click the link down in my description box below to get 20% off your first purchase using my coupon code Empire20, and also get started. If you want to also get started with the prop firm that you're really willing to trust, you can start with Traders with Edge. The link also down in my description box below. About last week, my last week trading was just one trade, and that one trade hasn't been closed. So that's the sad thing about swing trading. You don't have to. I won't call it sad, but that's just reality about swing trading. You don't tend to enter trades all the time. So I had this one position, Euro USD buy. If you can check on your chart, you can see Euro USD has been falling for a while, but in the market just don't keep falling or keep going. There has to be some pullback, and the pullback is what I am trying to trade up, right? So I'm trying to trade up that market has been ranging, gave me about almost a 1-to-1, but still came back down, still at my break even. We'll get to the chart and we'll see the current situation of the market, right? So that's the only position I am. I've not closed this, so my trade PNL for the week was null. But hopefully this week we're gonna be seeing Euro USD doing some kind of nasty move. It's gonna be nasty still, either going up or still keep coming down. The technicals, the fundamentals have to be checked because of the new president coming up, President Donald Trump, and there are a lot of things in the financial market that really affect that. So we have to, take that into consideration, guys. Also, comment on how you're trading. I hope your trading week went well. I saw on Twitter about one girl complaining about her worst trading. This has been her worst trading week, like her worst losing streak ever. So it's very normal to have losing streaks. Like I bet it's very normal. I know that I lose more than I win, but when I win, I want to make sure that my wins are really substantial, right? And yeah, guys, don't forget to my wins are really substantial. I'm gonna be, reviewing Euro USD, GPUD, and possibly gold, and what we could possibly see, and also the what fundamentals we could be expecting for the week. I see you guys. Yup. Guys, seriously, it's not really easy to make content. Guys, I've filmed this whole recording, and a whole 8 minutes video had no audio. Just imagine. So I have to film it again. So that's my P sharp. Anyways, this is Euro USD chart, and this is the current trade opportunity I am in. Right. So I entered this position around here after I saw that price had broken out from this whole structure. Yeah, price broke out from this whole structure, so I had this change. So let me use this as black. So I had this change, right? So I had this change, this break of structure here when price broke this structure, and price retraced back. So I didn't enter here. I was supposed to enter around here, but I entered after price started moving up. And yeah, I'm targeting. If you check to the daily time frame, the daily time frame is kind of messy. So this is what I'm trying to say. Price has been on a downtrend since. You can see even this was a pullback before the move to the downside. So we know that the dollar has gained a significant amount of strength, and we want to see pullbacks, guys. Like that's what we really want to see, at least pullbacks to region that have been broken out, failed, or we could see regions to like failed failed demands, and also failed supports, right? This area here now, you can see this area is the first area of a failed demand, right? So if I can plot this out on my chart now, something like this, you can see that here price used here as a previous price used here as a previous demand area that created this high, and you see price actually even traded up from here, but it was a break of structure. So this should be our first target. This around 180 pips move should be our first target exactly. So that's what I am gonna be doing on during Wednesday. I'm really optimistic about this whole move because once USD start ranging like this, we should be expecting a change in what a trend or a change in character. You can see that happened around here. Range dropped out, and you can see range drop out. So it's a very normal thing in your USD. So this position is still running. Hopefully this week we see price, we having something to do. But if it doesn't go well, we could see price, trading downward and maybe buy up from this region. But with in all, I'm really optimistic about this whole long opportunity, right? And I really want to bank on this long opportunity. You know how we're going to be doing it. When it gets to 1 to 1, take out some partials. When it gets to 1 to 2, you take out some partials. Then 1 to 3 is our final target. I think it's around here. 1 to 3 is our final target for this whole trade opportunity. Now back on pound Aussie, guys. Pound Aussie is kind of really interesting right now. It's not really interesting. It's really confused right now. So because price now has traded up back to the daily resistance region here, which you can see. I think I need to get a mouse. Sorry. Price has traded down to a daily resistance area, which is this and also this. So price is really in a rangy situation right now. So I really have to wait for a breakout of price to see where price really wants to get to, because this is a lower low region. This is also a lower low region. These whole areas here are lower low region. So we have to be really skeptical about price movement of this whole thing. And also this is a demand. So price is just kind of trapped in the region. Like we have a trapped volume, right? Trapped volume in the region. And guys, I really don't have anything on euro on pound Aussie, but hopefully as a week, you know, as the week play along go on, I could see probably a good move in the euro you in pound Aussie. So I'm looking at price breaking out of this first demand to this region here. This is my foremost target for pound Aussie. So let me just mark out this whole area here. So this is my foremost target for pound Aussie. So anything that pound Aussie is doing, we should be expecting, move back to this area. So that's where I'm really eyeing on pound Aussie. On gold looks very, very interesting. All my physics students around here, so when we're doing projectile motion, we have time of flight, and here we call this is this optimum? I've forgotten the name. Oh my god. But there's a point at which gravity gets to the whole velocity gets to zero. V is equals to zero. So when the velocity is zero, then we have gravity at its max, like at its max. So gravity is like pulling down everything back to Mars. So that's what has happened on what my silly example, and that's what has happened here. So price has really been falling off the cliff for gold. So, and we know that this is, fundamentally driven. Most price moves in the market are fundamentally driven, especially if they are large, large candle moves and stuff like that. So we have this first demand area that has been broken out, like lows have been created. It can still respect that area, but we should be looking at continuation of sales, right, in the market. It should be my first area of sales, right, in the market for gold. Or if this doesn't work, this should be my second area of sales in on gold in the market. So kind of now we're gonna be joining the trend and selling off gold. I am selling off gold now. I am expecting gold to keep even selling to 1-8 regions, guys. Like gold should be coming back down and crypto should be going up. So gold is the old school, crypto is the new school right now. So that's what I have. So back to the technical analysis, fundamental analysis. What news are we having this week? On Monday, we don't have any news that concerns us, but GPY, the Bank of Governors speaks, and also on Tuesday we have GBP monetary hearings and Canadian dollar CPI coming out. We don't have any concern with Canadian dollars. But if you're trading Canadian dollar, take a very big look on Tuesday about these. On Wednesday, we have GBP CPI coming out as well. On Thursday, we have Bank Governor Yoda speaks also. So JPY is bringing out their two monetary. Their governor is speaking twice this week, Monday and Thursday. So we have to have that in claim. On Thursday, we also have unemployment claims of the USD. Really, really interested in that. Also, AUD bank governor also speak. So we have that. So, but the very, 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 very volatile day during this whole week is on Friday because we have the pound bringing out their retail sales, the euro bringing out their flash manufacturing PMI, and also the German bringing out their flash manufacturing PMI. So euro is going to be busy, pound is going to be busy, and also Canadian dollar is going to be busy and US is going to be busy. So we'll be expecting like a very big volatility on Friday. Hopefully, this volatility, favors us. Hopefully, that this volatility what favors us. So, guys, that's my dashboard. So, this is my phase one challenge on my traders with edge. So if you want to get started with them, get started with them. I've just traded. I've not even won any trade. You can see, literally, I've not won any trade because most trades I enter come back to my to my SL, which is very very sad. And I'm around 2%. I'm around 2% down. But hopefully, if this trade happens to go well, Euro USD, I could see a major comeback on this pair. Like I could see a very very big comeback on this pair, and a comeback of at least a reasonable one, at least a reasonable one, a reasonable one. So guys, don't forget to get started with these guys. If you want to get started, link in my description box below. Guys, don't forget to join the Discord community, my Discord community. Let's interact, let's share ideas together. Let's chat, let's chat, let's chat. So like this is my community and you can also join and share what you have in check and everything. I would love to see you in this community, right? So guys, I'll call this a wrap and I'll see you next Sunday. Have a wonderful weekend. Have a wonderful trading week ahead. And yeah, remember, risk management is key. See you guys back. Bye.